Okay guys, this is our mint. How to use this mint, guys: mix chopped lemon mint with your fruit smoothies or with fruit salads, yogurt or iced tea, or make homemade lemon mint iced tea or sorbets. Or you can also make your herbal teas. You can boil it and drink it, guys. So this mint, guys, has many healthy benefits, guys. Some of the benefits: this mint, guys, it helps to combat allergies, aging, eases severe stomach cramps, brings relief to asthmatic and other similar conditions, and boosts the immune system of human body, guys. Very interesting if you look at it, guys. So I want to explain further how I planted this mint, guys. So when I got this mint, guys, I got it as small as it was like this, guys, this size. So when I got it from my friend, it had some roots here, but it was struggling. So when I got home, guys, first things first, I prepared my soil. As you can see, I prepared my soil. This is the mulch that I've put on top here. So after preparing my soil, guys, I then took my mint and planted it there, guys. So for it to become this size, or as much as it is right now, it only took about a month, from this to this. So whenever, guys, I prune this mint, it creates new branches. Like if I separate it here, it is going to create new branches. I don't know how it does it, but it does it, guys. So very interesting plant, guys. Very interesting plant, guys. When you use it, guys, you don't have to take the whole plant as it is. You can just take the pieces that you need and then make them what you're going to eat. So without further ado, guys, very interesting plant. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please, guys, enjoy this mint, guys. I hope you get it. It's very healthy. So right now, guys, I'm going to make my herbal tea and drink some. As you can see, I've harvested. Hopefully on a new video we're going to see this beautiful plant matured enough again. And one thing, once again, guys, this plant is also good for companion planting. As you can see in here, I have my beautiful Swiss chard spinach. You can also do green peppers. As you can see, I have a little seedling here. So everything in here is companion planting, guys. If you're a gardener, you should get used to companion planting, because some of us, guys, we don't have enough spaces to plant all the veggies and fruits that we want. So whenever we use companion planting, guys, is to preserve space. And then after preserving our space, guys, you can have enough fruits and vegetables to harvest and eat. So companion planting, this, guys, very interesting. Hopefully I touch on the subject in the near future, so that I can help you out with this companion planting, guys. Okay, guys, don't forget to click on the subscription button below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel once again, guys. I will see you in the new video.